Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here. I'm over here sitting on my girlfriend's couch. I have the TV on, um, and I'm just working a little bit on my online business. And I want to show you an avenue if you're on a limited budget where you can start advertising your business or product online using a free platform called Backpage.com. And you can see it here. Now the training I'm going to do really quickly, it's very simple, is how to create a clickable picture ad just like this, where you click the image and it goes to a website that you're advertising. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to run through it fairly quickly. You can always stop and rewind once as you're placing your ad for the first time. And before I get into that, I would like to say if you found this training valuable, please like or share and let me know in the comment section of the video where you see this video. And also, I am going to have a link for Backpage.com where you can set up your clickable ad, and I will also include the HTML code that is required for you to create a clickable picture ad just like you see here on the screen. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and post an ad, and once you create your free account at Backpage.com, you just look for the post ad button. Choose when you get to choose a section of the post your ad part. Once you get started, now it's very important that you do this correctly so you don't get kicked out of Backpage and are able to post as many ads as you want here. You want to click services, and this is very important, especially if you're selling or advertising a business opportunity, a product. Make sure you click the correct link here. The ad I'm posting right now is for a business opportunity to work from home, and I click this button, and I'm targeting the state of Florida right now. I'm going to pick Daytona. It's going to bring me up to this screen. Now, it's pretty simple. You only need to do a couple of things. Now, I already wrote out my title that I'm going to be using in this ad, and I have the code and my website and picture already linked in. So I'm going to pull up my notepad here, and so you can see the subject line that I'm going to use is this. Basically copy and paste it here, and this is the ad or the code, the HTML code that you will need to put a clickable ad on Backpage or Craigslist if that's the platform that you're using. And just a quick note on that, I don't use Craigslist, or I'm not presenting a training on Craigslist, because I want to show you a method that if you're on a limited budget, you can start getting your ads out there to the public for traffic to your website for free. And that's why I'm specifically using Backpage. If you want to post a business opportunity or a job listing on Craigslist, they do charge you an amount of money. I forget what it is now for to post a listing of that nature there for a limited time. But anyway, here's the whole code that you need to post an ad. Now, uh, as you're looking at the screen, from where the parentheses start to where the parentheses end on this code is where you want the person to go to, the website you want the person to go to after they click the ad. That goes here, and this is where I want the person who sees this ad on Backpage, this is the website I want them to go to after they click the ad. So whatever website or product or business opportunity that you're presenting, you want to put that website on this section of the code. And now for your image is from this parenthesis line all the way down to this parentheses. Everything in between the two parentheses mark is your actual picture address where you currently have the picture. And you input that link here, and that completes the whole code. So I want to take this code, copy, and just paste it here in the description, and that's it. Over here, location, forget the location I picked, Daytona. So I'm just going to write Daytona, Florida is spelled Daytona wrong. But Daytona, Florida is where this ad will be placed. So you want to make sure that's correct. Your email address goes here, so any correspondence will be sent to my email address. Now this is important. I don't recommend you checking this off. You don't want other this target, this city, to see what other ads you have in what other cities. You just want to specifically target this particular city. I'd uncheck that box, and all you need to do, unless you want to, there's some upgrades here that you can do for some money. For example, you can add nearby cities for 25 cents. But after I place this ad, I'll quickly show you how you can post in the same state different cities for free. So once I have my title and my clickable picture ad code placed here and the city location, I uncheck display options. I don't want them to see my other ads that I currently have on Backpage.com. And again, it shows you the city that you're advertising, and I just hit continue. Now, here's my ad underneath that I'm placed. I have to check that I'm not a robot. Click images with grass. So I click the images, click verify, then I click place ad now, and I'm all done. To view your ad, you just click here, and here's the ad. Now, if you want to place another ad for free, in the same state of that you currently placed this ad, you just go back into post an ad, go through the same process, services, biz opportunity, and here you go. You're back in Florida, and you pick the other cities that you want to go ahead and place the ad in. And I'll do this quickly one more time. We'll pick Palm Bay. Here's that page again. I had paste my HTML clickable picture ad, and just gonna copy the title that I'm using here, copy and paste there. The location, what's the location? It's Palm Bay. Palm Bay, Florida. I don't want them to see any other of my ads. Hit continue. I'm not a robot. All images with rivers. Boom, 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 boom. Verify, place ad, and there you go. Click here to view your ad, and there you go. Now that's pretty much it. Pretty simple way to put free clickable picture ads on Backpage.com. You can also put a text ad with your link, clickable link, that you can do. I prefer the picture ads. 9 out of 10 times someone will look at a picture ad before just a text ad. That's why I do that. And let me just click here back to my account. I want to show you these are all the current ads that I have. 3 pages worth, 62 ads total of text. I actually have both text ads and picture ads currently active on Backpage.com. Let me just X out of here and get this out of the screen. Now, to close out this training, I just want you to know that there's countless places where you can get traffic for your business. Now, the most important thing about building a business online or offline is getting as many people to your business as possible. And then it's the law of averages. There's going to be a certain amount of people that don't want anything to do with your business. There's going to be a certain amount of people that are interested, so they submit their information to see more information about it. There'll be a certain number of people that will buy whatever it is that you're selling right away. The key to this is the people that are interested and have not purchased yet but are interested, you are collecting their information, their email addresses. You're building your personal list that will eventually turn into your personal ATM machine. That being said, Chris Espinola signing out. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, please share it, comment, like it, and I hope that you have success marketing and advertising your business on Backpage. It is a stepping stone, especially if you're on a limited budget. It's a place where I started to advertise my business when I first started, when I had no money, and I continue to this day, even though now I have resources to be able to go ahead and actually purchase different forms of advertising. If you want to check more cool stuff out, check out my website, chrisespinola.com, and I'll see you soon.